higher education, and I would say academic medicine, is facing a defining moment. You see not just challenges with the funding available for research, but more fundamentally, distrust in the public around the messages that we are delivering.
You know, universities have historically been viewed as something of an ivory tower where we move slow, we advance theory, we publish papers that are behind firewalls and full of jargon, and we've managed to accomplish wonderful things with that process, and I think it's time for some updates. We need to be reevaluating how we do research, where the funding comes from, and how partnerships work.
In many business sectors, we're living increasingly in the world of joint ventures, partnerships, and collaborations. For higher education, it's the same thing, and I think we are entering a stage where we can take a lot of benefit from that and have a mutual path of success together.
Partnerships in higher education in today's world take on a whole different dimension. It's critical that business communicate and partner with the academic world to ensure the students that are graduating, they're capable and desirable for the business community. Business, government, and academic institutions like Boston University have to be at the forefront of the convening of making those things happen.
Industry partnerships can have a great deal of impact on the student experience. As a student at the School of Public Health, I was able to take advantage of a great field experience over the course of a summer in Kenya conducting research, and I was able to work with local ministries of health in the field over the course of that summer, and it was all enabled by contributions and collaborations with industry partners.
What's really exciting to me about taking this partnership framework is producing science that's in response to the needs, whether those be policy needs, those be engineering needs. It's always changing, which is what makes it really exciting.
The world really needs partnerships and collaborations more than ever. It creates opportunity, it creates better dialogue, and higher ed can take the lead in that conversation. Boston University is wonderfully positioned to have impact in the next several years, and I think the best is yet to come because of our capabilities and the opportunities.